Welcome back, guys. This is continuations of Indian Polity multiple choice questions and answers, and in this video we'll try to see some more questions related to fundamental rights. So let's start with very first questions. Which articles of constitutions empowers parliament to indemnify any person for the act done in connection with maintenance or restorations of order during martial law? So during the martial law, which is the article which is giving power to parliament where they can recover any loss or damage done by any persons. What is the options? Article 32, article 33, article 34, article 35. Let's see the answer. The answer is going to be C, article 34. Can a law made under article 34 be challenged in the court on the grounds of contraventions of fundamental rights? Can this will be challenged on the grounds of contraventions of fundamental rights if it is a controversial to fundamental rights? What is the answer? Answer is no, it cannot be. What does the term martial law means? A military law imposed by the executive, military law applicable to the armed forces, both A and B, none of the above. Let's see the answer. Answer is a military law imposed by the executive. So answer is A. Is the concept of martial law defined in the Indian constitutions? Answer is yes. Answer is B. Answer is no. What is the answer? Answer is no. This has not been defined in our Indian constitutions. Under what circumstances can martial law will be imposed? Right? What is the circumstances? What is the situations? During a national emergency, during war, invasion, insurrection, rebellion, riot, violent, resistance to law, both A and B, none of the above. Answer is B, during war, invasion, insurrection, rebellion, riot, or violent resistance to the law. During these situations, any of the situations, martial law will be imposed, the military law will be imposed. Do military authorities have abnormal power during the martial law? Answer is A. Options is yes. Options B is no. Answer is yes. They have abnormal power during the martial law, during the military law. Is the declarations of martial law synonyms with the suspensions of the writ of habeas corpus? Right? Is the declarations of martial law synonyms with the suspensions of the writ of habeas corpus? What is the answer? No, it is not. What is the meaning of habeas corpus? Right? Habeas corpus, it's a Latin word if you see, but it's a legal right that protects individuals from being held in custody without being charged with a crime. Right? Basically, you have a right where that will protect you from being held. You cannot be held for the custody if your charge is not proven. Right? So basically, it's a kind of law which is helping you. Let's see the next questions. Does Article 35 empower state legislatures to make laws to give effect to certain fundamental rights? State legislatures, not central, state. Options A, yes. Options B, no. Answer is no. State legislature cannot. What is the purpose of Article 35? To ensure uniformity in the nature of fundamental rights throughout the India, to provide punishment for infringement of fundamental rights, to extend Parliament's competence over matters that may fall under the state list, all of the above. What is the answer? Let's see the right answer. All of the above. Which fundamental right can be enforced through directives, orders, and writ of all kinds by courts other than Supreme Court and High Court? Which is the fundamental right which everyone could right can be enforced through anything, directors, orders, it's of all kinds of court, apart from Supreme Court and High Court. Options A, right to equality. Option B, right to freedom of religion. Option C, right to constitutional remedies. Option D, right against exploitations. Answer is option C, right to constitutional remedies. The reason is this right to constitutional remedies basically it empowers an individual to self justice, challenge, and you can challenge unconstitutional law and actions, and you can demand accountability from the state if your rights are violated in any way, right? So basically it is helping you, it is protecting your fundamental rights. Can state legislatures restrict or abrogate the applications of fundamental rights to the members of armed forces, police forces, etc? Is it possible for the state legislatures? Answer is no. Which article of the Constitution empowers Parliament to restrict or abrogate fundamental rights for the members of armed forces, police forces, etc? Option A, Article 33. Option B, Article 44. Option C, Article 35. Option D, Article 36. Let's think the answer. What is the answer? Article 33. This empowers a parliament. They can restrict or abrogate the fundamental rights for the member of armed forces. The armed forces people can lose that fundamental rights based on Article 33. Which act is made punishable under Article 23 of the Constitutions? Which act? Human trafficking, child labor, untouchability, none of the above. Which one under Article 23? Let's see the answer. Human trafficking. What punishment can be prescribed for an act declared an offense under fundamental rights? What punishment can be prescribed? Declared an offense under a fundamental rights. Imprisonment, fine, both A and B, none of the above. Right? Either आपको सजा हो सकती है और आपको जुर्माना भरना पड़ेगा. Both A and B, none of the above. What is the answer? Both A and B. It could be imprisonment or fine. Can a state legislature make a law on matters specified in Article 35? State legislatures here, right? It's not a central, state legislatures. Options A, yes. Options B, no. The answer is no. Can a law made by a state legislature on matters specified in Article 35 supersede a law made by the parliament, right? So whatever state legislature had made a rule which is specified in Article 35, can law made by parliament supersede? Options A, yes. Options B, no. Answer is no. What is the scope of parliament's power to make law on matters specified in Article 35? What is the scope of parliament? What they can do? It is limited to union list. What are their scopes? Limited to concurrent list, extended to a state list as well, none of the above. Is it limited to union list? Whether they can make only based on Article 35, is they are limited to union list, concurrent list, state list, or none of the above? What is the answer? Extended to a state list as well. Can a law made under Article 35 be challenged in the court on the ground of contraventions of any other provisions of the constitutions? Can it be challenged on the ground of contraventions of any other provision of the constitutions? Options A, yes. Options B, no. What is the answer? Answer is yes. Can a law made under Article 35 be amended or repealed by the state legislatures? Law made under Article 35 can be amended or repealed by state legislature? Options A, yes. Options B, no. Can it be done? Let's see the answer. No, it cannot be repealed or it cannot be amended. Can law made under Article 35 be altered or repealed by the parliaments? Options A, yes. Options B, no. repealed by parliament. Here it is not a state legislature, it is a parliament. So what is the answer? Yes. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.